Hello everyone, it's me Lise, and in today's video I'll be teaching you guys how to update your app without your Apple ID password in 2024, or how to update apps without Apple ID password on your iPhone or iPad. So without any further ado, let's get started. So let's open up our App Store first to see if we have any updates available. As you can see, my Snapchat requires an update. So before clicking on update, what I want to do is go back to my settings page. Then go down to Face ID and passcodes. Then I will type in my iPhone password. Then turn on your iTunes and App Store so that you can use your Face ID instead of your Apple ID password if you have forgotten it. Make sure that the Face ID is enabled as well. So we can go back to our App Store now. Then click on Update. And as you can see, but sometimes if it's a new app, then it'll also ask for your Face ID. You can just update your app with a Face ID. So this is a quick and easy way on how to update app without your Apple ID password in 2024. If you like this video, please be sure to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Please be sure to write comments and drop box as well. It's me, Lee, signing off. I'll see you on the next one.